Ready? You can hear the speed change by using the variable speed. So you have speed adjustment between the gears. Low range. Low range. Alright, let's test this feeds. We'll put it in the medium high. Where about? There. Yep, we're not on the way. There we go. There we go. There we go. Carriage feed. Cross feed. Get the thread dial going. Threading. Back up, I'll put it in the reverse on the threads and on the feed. So right now we're feeding saddle feed. Cross feed. Saddle feed. Neutral. Thread feed in reverse. It's nice. Close up of way. You can see it's sharp, not nicked up. It's really nice. Good finish. Look at this one. This little stain from sitting. Real sharp. And then this is the tailstock rides on, and then obviously the flat. And then the tailstock rolls in and out. We have a live center on it. You have a 3-jaw chuck. You have the work light. Chip pan. A look at the ways on the back. Real nice. You can still see the original scraping on it. Ball looks good, or screw looks good. Sorted toolings and whatnots in there. Do we have a key to get back in here soon? Show you the drive that was installed from the previous customer. You can see it's super clean back here. This is a real nice setup. So basically you have an infinitely variable speed drive. And here are all your threads. These all slide up. Your drives. Very nice machine. Heavy duty machine. And there you have it. This is the LeBlond 1530. Stock number M25.